Hi, I'm Rosanna from Genius Kids. Today I am going to talk about pouring activity. We can do this pouring activity in two ways, dry pouring and wet pouring. This exercise of practical life is very important for preschoolers as it helps to develop eye and hand coordination, concentration, and strengthen the fine and gross muscles. Before we introduce the wet pouring, we should practice dry pouring with kids. We can use rice, grains, sand for dry pouring exercises. For wet pouring, we can use water. We can add some food colors to the water to make it colorful. Now let's see the presentation of dry pouring. For this you will need a tray and two jugs. Show the child to hold by the handle of the jug and pour it into the other jug. Let them repeat this many times. Then once they are able to do this activity confidently, you can do the wet pouring. For this you will need a tray, two jugs and a piece of sponge. Place all these things on a tray. Then pour the water from one jug to the other. They can repeat this many times. If the water spills on the tray, let them wipe it with the sponge. I hope you can practice this easy but important life skill with your kids at home. Thanks for watching this video, and still if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do by clicking the bell icon. Till we meet again with another video, it's bye from me.